Alrighty folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. You can hear the noise behind me. We're back at the track again, but this time we're back out of Cecil County Dragway. And you know, usually when we come to Cecil County Dragway, we're out here with incredible Hemi and Kong. So Kong is back. He's trying to make that 10. So biggest change this time is he went back to the Mickeys.
Miss you, Mickeys.
He went back to the Mickey Thompson ET Street Pro radials. So that's what he used before. They're an inch taller than the Hoosiers, which gives them a little bit taller effective gear ratio, tallens it up a little bit. So there's a little less power to the rear tire. So hopefully that gives him a better chance to hook. But that's what he's out here for. I'm just out, you know me, I'm just out here to race. Old shake and bake. We're just out here to run and have fun. That's all. That's what we're out here to do, and that's what we're gonna do. Probably only get 2, maybe 3 runs in. I'm gonna try and help Incredible Hemi video his truck and his launch and stuff, so we can start looking at his launch and seeing what he needs to fix to get his truck to hook. So hopefully he hooks today. If he hooks today, we're good to go. So we'll see. Stay tuned, folks. We're gonna get a few races. We'll get hopefully one of Incredible Hemi by himself. Hopefully maybe he can get me one on the trackside, and we go from there. I know you guys like the trackside videos, but it's just I don't have someone that comes with me all the time to do the trackside videos, so I just gotta kind of get them when I can. So stay tuned, folks. Here comes the races.
Round 1.
All right, folks, here we go. Round 1. Shake and bake. Woo! a nice first run. Definitely not a bad first run. The car says 10-1. The draggy says a low 10-1. Let's see what we got. Alrighty, thank you. Alright, so this is no velocity stack. No ice. 157 60 foot. 6.5 to the 8th at 110. 10.09 at 141 and a half. Woo! That's no stack, no ice. So we're gonna check the log here in a minute. We're gonna see what the air fuel looks like. We're gonna see what the injectors look like. And just maybe we'll throw the stack on there and put some ice in and see if we can't run a 9.7, 9.8, because it's definitely possible. I just don't want to run out of injector and run lean. I did look up at the AFR and it was mid 11s, so we'll see what it is once we get back and look at the log.
A few moments later.
Alright, what do we think about the Mickeys?
The Mickeys we hooked, and then we hit limiter.
That's not what you said a minute ago.
Oh,
What'd you say about the Mickeys?
Mickeys are amazing.
Look.
I miss the Mickeys.
He's talking to the Mickeys.
I miss you, Mickeys. I miss you.
He's talking to the Mickeys, folks.
Mickeys, we hooked on the Mickeys, then we hit limiter first, and then we just did a 13.9.
10's coming, as long as we don't hit the limiter.
As long as we can get off the limiter. If we hit limiter again, I'm going to talk to Jay and see what's going on.
And we'll go from there.
We'll go from there. If we keep doing it, I may put the other tune, the conservative tune on, just so we can make some passes clean. And we'll see.
Oh, this is the hot tune.
No, this isn't the hot tune.
This is the medium tune.
Medium tune.
The medium tune. Alright.
Remember, the conservative tune, we ran 11.0 like 10 times on. I call that the 11.0 tune.
You might run a 10.9 on a conservative tune.
Started on the conservative tune, yes. And now we also have the, we didn't have the,
oh, the track intake.
track intake last time, so we'll see. See how we go. We just know we're going to hook on the conservative tune.
Alright, here we go.
That's right, baby.
Round 2.
Here we go, folks. Round 2. Another nice run for Shake and Bake, folks. good run. Car says 10-1 at 140. Draggy says 10-1. We'll see what the time slip got to say. Alrighty, thank you. Talk about a model of consistency. You guys know how consistent Shake and Bake can be. 155 60 foot, 652 to the 8th at 110, 1007 at 140, almost 141. How much more consistent do y'all want? 10-0, 10-0. I mean, hey, Shake and Bake's consistent. It's just, I gotta be more consistent. I gotta get better on my light. Yeah, that was a 0.1 light. I waited a little bit too long. I've been snacking, eating lunch at the light. But I think that's all we're gonna do today. I think that's all we're gonna do today. Because again, duty cycle, air fuel ratio is pretty good. Duty cycle is still a little bit high. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna quit until we get the 1650s put in. September 13th we'll be on the dyno. September 13th we'll be back on the dyno. We'll have the velocity stack. We'll put the 1650s in and we'll really get her dialed in. Maybe up the shifts just a little bit, add a little bit more, even more power. And yeah, we'll get Shake and Bake well into the 9s. Because if this is any indication, last week I ran 10 3s. This week I ran 10 0s. And I was running 9s on the other with the velocity stack and ice. So yeah, we should be good into the 9s after September 13th. But we're gonna quit racing till then. And then once we're dialed in with all the good stuff, all the goodies. Once we're dialed in with all the goodies, then it's party time. Yeah, no longer having problems hooking up. Or Incredible Hemi, I'll edit that out. Incredible Hemi, now he can hook now. We got him hooking. Now he's hooking, all that power's coming in, he's hitting the rev limiter.
All 3 runs, even on the other, so it's not the 2.
All 3 runs, he's hitting the rev limiter. So he's gonna talk to Jay. Him and Jay will get it all worked out, get it fixed up. At least we know he can hook now. Hey, what else can you ask for? But that's gonna do it for this one, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do me them few things. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake will definitely appreciate it, because every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this one. Till the next one, folks. Adios.